Hi guys, a very good morning. Mamuka say, Mamuka say, Mamuka say. So it has been a wonderful moment being with you here. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha, African Beyond Television Networks. So we are here to talk about important issues, important news. And people always tell us that they have popularity, they are popular, they are loved, they are followed, and they always brag about the numbers of people who come to their rallies. But there are two things we need to join here. I want to give you an example. On a party, people are not forced to attend a party. People attend on their own, and the objective of being on a party is to be happy, right? On a funeral, everybody attends the funeral because people say it's necessary for us to attend a funeral. If I don't attend, what will happen if my family member dies? That is the reason why people attend families. The majority, family excluded, family and friends excluded. So if we are to look on politics, the reason why people attend political rallies is because number one, it's either you are forced to do so, or number two, it's either you are interested to do so. So the mood you are into defines the reason why you are at a certain event, especially in politics. It defines the reason why you are at a rally, you are into politics, you are doing politics. So if you look at this from ZANU PF, this is an ZANU PF rally, Chief Shumba Wenje performing. But if you look at the mood of the people at that rally, it's different. So taking a look on what was happening or what is happening on this rally, as you can see right here on the screen, ZANU PF people looks not happy at all with whatever is happening. Music is there, everything is there, but they are not happy. If you go to CCC rallies, you see the joy to show that people are really interested in whatever are happening at that rally, and that is the difference. So this should tell you who is actually being followed by the people because they love him, and who is being followed by the people because they are being forced to do so. So ZANPF is capitalizing on forcing people to their rallies, whereas CCC is capitalizing on people actually forcing them to do rallies. So if you go anywhere and everywhere, people are actually calling for CCC to actually come and do their rallies, to actually come and actually be present in their areas. But that's a different scenario with ZANPF. Door to door, sabhuku nevanhu vako, sabhuku pamberi, timu rako pamashure, sabhuku pamberi, timu rako pamashure. So when we are going to 2023, don't let anybody tell you that ZANPF is going to win, ZANPF ine vanhu, ZANPF this and that. No, the truth of the matter is that CCC is leading in terms of everything, in terms of mobilization, mobilizing, in terms of being loved by the people, in terms of the message, in terms of resonating with the problems of the people. ZANU-PF has lost touch because the mood of the people defines whatever they are there to do. If you go to a church, you'll find a different mood because people are actually doing what they love most. If you go to a CCC rally, you see a different mood because people are doing what they love doing. If you go to a ZANPF rally, the mood is different. Why? It's because people are actually angry and people are not happy. And that is the honest truth. So I think I have presented this short issue about ZANU-PF. ZANU-PF is no longer popular. ZANU-PF is now. let us register to vote and make sure that in 2023 we don't miss it.